The restrict access setting allows instructors to control the availability of learning materials based on different conditions. For example, an instructor might require students to complete one activity before moving to another activity, or restrict a course activity to a particular group, or require students to achieve a specific grade to move on to the next activity. Here is the example of using restrict access with the date restriction. I am logging in as a student. You can see using the date restriction prevents students from accessing this material outside of a specific date. This is particularly useful when you want learners to follow the course at the same pace. This video will show you how to use restrict access using the date restriction. In your Moodle course, go into Edit Mode in the upper right-hand corner of the Moodle page, right next to the activity you want to apply a restriction to. Click on the Edit menu on the right-hand side of the activity and choose Edit Settings. On the Edit Settings page, under Restrict Access, click Add Restriction. In the pop-up window, click Date. You can see the date restriction is added to this activity. From here, you can choose from what date or time you want students to have access to this material. Make sure to click Save and Return to Course to save the changes. Now you see a message with a restricted date below the activity. If I switch my role to a student, I will not be able to access this material, and I will see it's available from April 23rd, 2022. For other restrict access examples, please refer to our videos in the description box below.